Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how easy the SpringBud Doppler is, and I'm even going to have my little assistant today help you. So it comes with the ultra transmission gel that you get at the OB, and all you got to do is press the power button. It comes with batteries and everything good to go. So you're just going to lay back. Hey baby, yeah, you're going to lay back. It's going to pull your belly down, shorts down just a little bit, and put the gel right in there. And so according to how far along you are in your pregnancy, it could definitely be anywhere between like the lower pelvis to your belly button.